Your conclusion is very different when you only see part of the picture.
Vaš zaključek bo precej drugačen, če vidite le delček slike.
Like one day,
Kot na primer nekega dne
I'm in the front seat of a car
sem sedel na sprednjem sopotnikovem sedežu,
and we're at the traffic lights,
sprednjem sedežu pri semaforju, rdeča luč je bila
and this car comes up next to us,
in poleg se je pripeljal nek drug avto
and this girl's looking at me.
in neka deklica je skozi okno gledala vame.
I'm looking at her,
In jaz sem gledal njo.
she looks at me,
Ona pogleda mene,
I'm looking at her.
jaz pogledam njo.
She only sees part of the picture.
In seveda je videla samo delček slike.
She sees my head,
Videla je zgolj mojo glavo,
not the rest of my body.
ne preostalega dela telesa.
Can you imagine just all you see is my head?
Ali si predstavljate, da je vse, kar vidite, le moja glava?
You ready?
Ali ste pripravljeni?
I wanted to trick her,
Želel sem jo vršti na finto.
so I just did this.
Torej sem naredil takole.
And she was like,
In naredila je takole. Wow.
she must have thought my head did a 360-degree spin.
Mislila je, da se mi glava vrti za 360 stopinj.
She was ready to drive off.
In bila je pripravljena, da spelje skozi rdečo luč.
If you only see part of the picture today
Če v tem večeru vidite le delček slike
and you don't have peace,
in nimate miru,
keep searching.
potem še naprej raziskujte.
My favorite verse,
Moja najljubša vrstica,
Jeremiah
Jeremija,
chapter 29,
29. poglavje,
verse 11,
11. vrstica.
says, "For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord.
Pravi, vem za načrte, ki jih imam s teboj, tako pravi Gospod.
Plans for good and not for harm.
Misli sreče in ne nesreče,
Plans to give you hope and a future.
da ti dam upanje in prihodnost.
Then you will call upon me," in verse 12,
Potem boš klical moje ime
"and come and pray to me,
in molil k meni
and I will listen to you.
in jaz te bom uslišal.
You will seek me
Jaz ti bom prisluhnil in ti me
and
boš iskal
find me
in me našel,
when you seek me with all your heart.
ko me boš iskal z vsem svojim srcem.
You're going to find me."
Takrat me boš našel.
That's what God says.
To pravi Bog.